So this is how I made my fangs for my 2008 Mazda 3 hatchback. I haven't done them yet, but I'm about to make them. I'm using this polymer shape plastic thing. It has like little holes in it, so it's lightweight and made out of plastic, so it won't fall apart in the rain and weather while it's on my car. I'm going to be using this Sharpie ruler, and I have to go measure how big I want my fangs and go see where I want them positioned and stuff. So I'm going to go do that right now. So here we go. See how I need my measuring equipment. Let's go see. Let's go see how big I want these. Here's my car. Here's my girlfriend's car. But we're just gonna do my car right now. If she wants some, then she can ask. So I'm thinking that they're gonna go right here. Not sure if I want them to hang lower than this part, but 4 inches for just the grill. I want longer, maybe like 5 inches. I'll come like right here and here. That looks pretty good. Alright, now that I have that done, I can make the fangs. Also, I got this poly plastic thing from Home Depot. I think it was like $7, so not too much. It's pretty big, so I'll have extra if I need it. But let's see. I think I'm gonna have them like, maybe I'll cut them this way. Just did at the 4.5 inches mark. I think that'll be good. It takes up like this much space, so I'll have plenty if I mess up or need to do a different one. I don't have scissors. Never mind. So just cut along this line. Actually, I think I have an X-Acto knife. We got one. Boom. Never cut toward yourself. I went to an art school though, so I'm a trained professional. Just trim this up with some and I'm gonna make triangles. Not with that. I'm just gonna pre-cut it. Okay. How hard can it be to cut a triangle? I think that's about good. It's like a little small fang. Might make a second pair just so I can test fit 2 of them or something. The second one definitely came out better than the first one, but they're about the same size, so I'm happy. And then make another one on this side. bit of a mess, but it's alright. So, I'm just gonna cut it like. Boom. Put this on here so then I can just cut right on this line, like so. Okay. It's a little bit difficult to cut, but I guess that's good, so then it won't fly off my car or something. And then boom, now we have two different shapes. Maybe I'll put both of them on, but now I want to make holes in them so I can put the zip ties in. So I'm sure I can just twist. Exacto, fell out a little bit. Poke, twist. There's one. There's two. It's pretty clean. Doesn't need to be perfect. It's not like I'm only gonna see them super up close. It is October, so might as well decorate my car a little bit. Alright, those should be big enough for those should be big enough. Alrighty, now let's go see if these fit now. Alright, don't mind my dirty car. I think those look good. The skinny ones. Not the fat ones. I got these clear zip ties a while ago, like Family Dollar or something, so. Should have brought my scissors out here. Just gonna put it through this hole, out this one. And looks like I had it in time-lapse mode for when I was putting them on, but I think you guys got the gist of it. It looks good. Could give them double teeth, but I don't know. I think the Sicko ones look good. Let me know what you guys think, of course. And that's basically it. That's how you make fangs for your 2008 Mazda 3 hatchback. Definitely looks good. I'm very happy with them. Alright, that's basically it. That's how you make fangs for your car. And thanks for watching. Let me know if you want to see anything else down in the comments below. And I'll see you next time.